Hey yo, what up, YouTube?
What's up, baby?
In today's video, if I laugh, I make a funny noise. You guys already know. We're streaming every single day on YouTube, so you should definitely stop by, turn on the post notifications, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's just get right into this, guys.
Wow.
Shout out to God Memes. Does that say what I think?
Who did that?
She did. Oh. Okay. Nice.
Shit!
Cute
Oh
dog.
my god, oh my god, oh my god. Come on, come on,
I
come
remember
on.
doing this. 100%.
What the fuck? There we go.
Strawberry. Thank
That
you.
boy Schlump.
Beat that boy with a bat.
I don't even know how to describe this noise, dude. Like, I just got done pissing and then...
What? Is it farting?
Oh, hey, I was trying to text
You're gay!
Is that for real? Butter? Oh. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. No.
What's he whipping out? Oh,
I thought his dog was cute.
he's whipping out a G-Dog, I think. Oh, it's a G-Dog! Oh!
Dad,
We're doing some weird noises
Where the
today.
fuck? Where do I type this thing?
When your dad buys his
Dad,
first
the
laptop
keypad.
ever.
They didn't give me a fucking keypad.
there's no keypad?
None. What do I do here? How do I bring it back?
I do that.
Are you kidding me?
Does he? Oh my gosh.
Can you shut up?
What a shot. Shrek? Is that Valorant, bro? What is he gonna do? That's dope. Shit. Cute doggy. Ooh.
Oh shit, dude. What the fuck?
About to gang some fools.
That's sick.
Oh my. That was a Glock. Teacher? Oh.
One,
Nice.
two,
Me running
three, go!
from the oil. Bro, just be splashing everywhere, bro. Pause. For real though. Usually my dad does that. Ooh. Bro, is he shaking that ass, bro? Ooh. Ooh. That looks kind of good. It sounded like. A fucking puppy.
Very beautiful dog. I love it. It's so cute.
Ooh. Don't try to act all playful. No.
Banana. Banana.
What happened? Oh my gosh, bro. I've reached peak male.
Oh!
That's dope. There are two types of people in this world. Jim. Facts. Ooh. Poor doggy.
advantage.
Good boy thinking about some crazy things right now. Dude, why did so much come out, bro? Pause. Look at this little kid. Ooh. 360 no scope 720 insta swap right there, dude. No cap.
My dog stepped on a bee. Objection relevance.
Anyone want a grilled cheese? Nice. Ooh.
Now I know what happened to Mom's beans.
What is that?
Oh,
Tweezers?
fuck! Holy shit! Oh, fuck!
POV, you're the last Pringle. They're always so hard to get, bro. What's he gonna shove? No. Okay.
Excuse
Nice
me.
golden. Oh, no, that's not golden. That's German Shepherd.
When you live below a
When
bar,
you live below a bar. What?
Did you just play some light jazz?
Wait, I just started. I haven't even sung anything yet.
It's a cute doggy. What? Holy crap.
Oh my god.
Dude, how do you forget to close it?
What the fuck, bro? Holy shit.
Looks pretty dope though. What? The end. Okay.
¿A dónde vamos, Malvado? Vamos,
Cute
vamos.
doggy.
El perrito se fue de casa.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh shit. Did he not just fall through that?
Do you speak Spanish?
Get it are.
Yes, you can avoid that.
Okay, cool. Can I get a number
Cool.
6?
Can I get a number 6?
You just asked me if I speak Spanish for no reason.
Basically, but can I get number 6?
Oh, what a dope dog. What a beautiful dog, man.
Get it in. Oh, we got it. We got it. It's all good. Oh,
What
we
do you
gotta fix
do?
that.
Victory bell. Oh. Dog food?
Wait,
Huh?
no.
Give me the food, man.
Wait. Wait.
He's gonna munch on that. Is he truly?
Ladies, how would you like to try my hot dog?
Just slow down, buddy. Otherwise you get. Woo. Slow. Oh, fucking come on.
I would have been
Fucking
pissed.
you.
What this Santa thing for, kid?
That looks cool. Oh,
Where's the meat at? Do you know?
Huh?
Hey, my fault, big bro. Excuse me, sir. Where's the restroom? Oh, thank you. Get you.
Dude, my dog does the same thing.
Get you.
Damn. Got the whole house wrecked. At least it looks sorry.
So I'm just gonna show you guys you can still do it.
Ooh.
Hey, hey.
It's a big baby.
Google, I
It's
got
a man.
I need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make
White sock, black sock. Yeah, look at the turtle, bro. Never mind, we're not gonna do a funny noise right there. You didn't deserve it. Oh, what a badass. I was gonna hit that right in the face. Dope. 9 million? Oh shit.
Ja pierdol...
Jimmy's mom. Jackie Chan. Oh, 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 oh. Nice. Hey, Peter. Oh, he's pretty fast. Better start sprinting, man.
Okay.
Ooh,
How many seconds are in a year?
You had one job. How many seconds are in
Probably
here?
over 2,000?
12.
What?
12 seconds.
How? Oh, never mind. No, I get it now.
Do you get it?
Yeah.
Go on.
12 seconds. In a year.
How do you get it?
I don't know.
You're the rock. Dig, 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 dig. Spin. Go, 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 go.
Oh, shit.
Rage intensifies. It's like true. Dog zoomies, watch out.
It's not a good time for this. For God's sake.
You can do something crazy, huh?
Dennis.
Kermit the Frog here. Spike that hurt, boy. Oh, looks like we made it to the end. Well, if you made it here, just thank you so much, man, for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Hope I made it a little bit more better. Subscribe, like, and comment, and
I love you.